Hi, I'm Laura Five Ash, and I'm thrilled to announce that this year's Spring Valley Gala will be on Friday, April 10th at The Club. With the help of our students, we are rolling out the red carpet for an unforgettable evening inspired by the glamour of old Hollywood. At Spring Valley, every star shines, and this year's gala will directly benefit our need-based scholarships, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to thrive in an educational environment that helps them reach their full potential. So get ready to strike a pose and channel your inner movie legend, music icon, or red carpet superstar as you join us for a night of elegance, inspiration, and celebration, all in support of our amazing students. Come walk the red carpet with us for the Spring Valley Gala, Friday, April 10th. Tickets are on sale now.